बाबा मैले ग्रेड 4 मा पब्लिस गरेको स्टोरी सुन्ने
के स्टोरी पब्लिस गरेछ अरे खै देखाउ त के नाम हो
द क्लेभर गर्ल एन्ड द मीन स्टुडेन्ट
वाओ द क्लेभर गर्ल एन्ड द मीन स्टुडेन्ट्स बाई प्रियङ्का अधिकारी यो कहिले पब्लिस गरेछ अरे
ग्रेड 4 मा
वाओ अनि ग्रेड 5 मा पनि पब्लिस हुँदैछ कि
मैले लेखेर दिएको छु अनि हुन्छ
ल के लेख्यो यसमा सुनाउ त मलाई
Once upon a time, there was a kind and smart girl named Rosie who lived with her parents. She loved reading and was very good at her studies. Her teachers liked her a lot because she worked hard and was always polite. But sadly, her classmates weren't nice to her. One day, her teacher said there would be a test the next day. Rosie studied hard that night, but her classmates, who were lazy, didn't study at all. The next day, the teacher gave them the test papers. The mean students tried to stop Rosie from finishing her test, but Rosie was already done before they could even start. The mean students were surprised and angry, but it was too late. When the test scores came out, Rosie got the best score. Her parents were very proud of her. The moral of this story is don't judge someone just by how they look.
वाओ don't judge the book by its cover भेरी गुड छोरी भेरी गुड यो वर्ष योभन्दा राम्रो बुक निकाल धेरै राम्रो पढ्दै जाऊ तिम्रो उन्नति प्रगति राम्रो छ राम्रो गर्दै जाऊ हामी तिमीप्रति एकदम प्राउड छौँ राम्रो गर्दै जाऊ धन्यवाद